Hello, friends. Welcome to the show HR by Nature, where we talk to people and take their opinion mostly on the HR angle. Today, our guest is Mr. Shailendra Gautam, who's a senior manager in the internal control team of BlackBerry. Hello, Shailendra. Welcome to the show.
Yeah, thank you, Mank, for giving me this option, choosing me for this. Thank you.
Most welcome, Shailendra. So, Shailendra, it's been around 40 to 45 days of the lockdown. We all are working from home. You're not allowed to go out. How are you dealing with this on the personal basis?
So basically, Mank is like now office is at home only. So I am planning time in effective way for both family and work. So it's like that we have to spend quality time for both the things. It's an opportunity to interact effectively with our family also, and to do office work also in effective way. So I start interacting with the team in closely manner. So we just ask them to let us work as a new manner, like it's an opportunity. I know challenges will be there in each family, like it's not like option at working at office. So it's a different culture and different environment we have to work, and we have to balance also. So that is the main thing which has the changes comes up. And it's blessings basically in different way, because we are praying for well-being of the humanity also. And secondly, we have to make sure that we can do some work for long-term perspective of the company. And from
Mhm.
this angle we are thinking, and we just want to groom ourselves also. So like what's going on in the outside world, which best practice we can adopt. So going forward time will be very challenging. So overall it's like overall introspection for ourselves and for our team, then as a society angle. So we just thinking like what best outcome come out from our side.
That's very nice. So that means you are handling your family as well as your team pretty
Correct.
effectively.
Correct,
Very
correct.
nice. So, Shalinder, this brings me to the next question: that how has your family reacted to this? Because they may have never seen you at home for such a long time. It's been almost 2 months, close to 2 months that you're at home. What is their reaction?
So initially it was challenging because because it's a blessing. So I'm staying with my family. So they are taking care of everything. My parents, they are taking care of kids because we both are working. So initially it was challenging because kids also their classes not started. So they are also doing disturbance. They are thinking for them it's off days. But we said let us prepare accordingly. Like we will spend quality time in morning and evening, but other time we have to make sure that like you enjoy your time and we also have to do work for the office. So we balance the things. So
Mm.
whatever we planning our work, like if kids classes are there, my wife is also working, so we have to balance ourselves. Like kids also should attend the classes, so whenever I'm free I can go and check the family. And mainly is time like early morning and late evening, so we have the good time. So I spend good time with family, and just support them in best manner. And initially it was challenging, but now they know it's like everywhere, it's worldwide. So
It
but
has
at least
become
we
a
are
new
happy, we
normal.
are. Yeah, yeah, normal, correct. And they know at least we are busy. Like we are not going with the necessary news of the WhatsApp, other things. People are saying this thing, that thing, some wrong news also going on. So we are just concentrating on ourselves. So like we're busy. That is the main point.
Right, right. So, Shalina, that is a pretty good thing. Their family is also happy about it. So, in the current scenario, you may have some extra time in your hand. That means you're saving time from traffic. You're saving time, saving some stress also, traffic stress also, driving stress also. So, once you have got this extra time, how are you utilizing this extra time at your place?
Yeah, basically, earlier in office, like in day-to-day work, we were not having the good time to do some extra work for the company. So now, whatever SOP policies we are defined, and now it's time to rebrush it. So it's a mandate, and people are also giving support also. We have said like we are working as a one team, and let us refine the things. Like in current scenario going forward, everything 80% work would happen from work from home only, because it will take some time to get things normal. So people have to come in shifts, and accordingly like we are thinking like which things are critical, like if anything we
Mhm.
are working from office, how to make it work from home. If like we are just discussing with the team like who work from home, like what digital technology is using by the other companies. So same way we can think, like for companies matters, for invoicing other things. If you start getting digital way, so SOP policies we are refining this way also, like maximum work which need like no physical movement. Let us do it from work from home policy wise. And I am giving opportunity to my team also, like let us utilize this time to refresh yourself, just to go through the trends of market, and go with trainings module in LinkedIn, whatever HR has shared with us. And other than this, like whenever I'm getting time, I just spending good time with my family, like in weekend sometime. Like earlier I was not having good time. I've seen like my wife is also working, my mother is also working, so let us give some time, because still we are having fear. I don't want to go out of home. I just want to spend maximum time for my family and for work only. So if they are busy, let us do that work also. So I just explore many things like which I never done. Like I, for cooking things, I just tried with my mother, and just want to help them so in best manner. So that is the best thing which is happening now.
That's great, Shailendra. Good to know that you are involved into cooking also. And apart from that, you have changed the SOPs also. You have upgraded the SOPs of the entire organization. The organization must be very happy with this move.
Yeah, it's a team effort. So everybody is interacting. We just doing one-to-one transactions and one-to-one interactions. So what is the effective way? Like it's not like we are saying this should happen. So we are working as a one team. We are discussing with each other what is the best thing we can do. So which is feasible going forward.
Right, right, Shailendra. So once we are talking about the organization, HR also has to play a huge role. So what are your current expectations from the HR as of now?
So overall, Mayank is good. Like HR is doing very good job. So I have not seen in any other company. They are interacting very closely with the employees, and I've seen like in WhatsApp group daily some questions are coming up, and these are very interesting questions. It's not like people are using for fun. So they this question related to mental ability, and companies also thinking like just people should be aware mental grooming has to happen. Like I've seen earlier, it was like everybody questions was coming there only, answers coming there only. So do you have changed the options? You have said like people has to give their answer indirectly, so one to one. So earlier I think people are doing something only like same thing is coming again. Now people don't know the answers, so it's going directly to HR. Then later on coming up who has the first one. So it's a good, like overall you're just thinking how people should be engaged. So that is a good thing. And other than this, it's a matter of time where peace of mind also required. So you just started some that activities for this
Brahma
Brahmakumaris. Yeah, that's a good initiative. So overall, people are very happy. Initially thinking like we are not related to this religion. We don't believe him. Why you're asking him? But all it was good. She was giving overall review why this thing is going on. Overall, we should be happy with ourselves. How to stay peaceful. So that is the main thing comes up. And overall good. So just keep up the good work. Just engage the people, and people should be best motivated this time. So because people's strength is company strength. So that is the best thing. People should remain positive and remain highly in spirit. So just keep up the good work.
Thank you so much, Shailendra. I'll pass on your message to the HR team, your positive words to the HR team. That will be very happy. In fact, I will also be very happy because I'm also a part of this HR team.
Yeah. So thank you, man. It's good.
Thank you so much, Shailendra, for being on the show.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, friends, for watching us. I'll be back with you with some other personality. Till then, namaste.
Thank you.